temperature of 15 degrees Celsius. Today's low is 16 degrees, and the high is 18 degrees. It's going to be a rainy day. Have a great day.
Good morning and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then a little introduction. This is a place to share stories, adventures, and everything I wish I'd known before embarking on them. My name is Trina, and you're watching from Fiji to here. A couple of weeks ago, maybe about a month ago now, I released a updated Q&A video, and one of the questions was whether this was our full-time job. And when I announced that Dally and I both work full-time jobs outside of YouTube, there was kind of like a lot of, I guess, surprise, maybe not surprise, but a lot of questions in regards to like how do we manage to do everything. And I'm not here to like tell you how to do your life or suggest at all that this is like how anyone should be living their lives. This is just how we've made things work for us. I also want to preface that this is not a situation of like, you know that quote that's like, oh, you have the same amount of days or same amount of hours in a day as Beyonce. Yeah, but you have like a fraction of the resources. Like, that makes a difference. So there's things, and I'll try and point them out throughout the day, that I realize like are a huge privilege, and we wouldn't be able to do everything that we do or like live the way that we live without them. Welcome to what a work day is like in our house with a toddler. It's about 7, and that means Elise is awake. Can you open the blinds? It's a rainy day. Did you see the rain? Oh, hello, Munchkin. Want to snuggle or you want down? What is it?
What's that?
It's a camera. Let's get the door. Open the door.
That's a bed.
Where do we make pancakes? Should we make pancakes?
I think it's a...
Are you gonna film Mommy making pancakes? You're gonna film? Okay. Can you see Mommy?
And Mama.
Do you see Mama?
Mama.
You're Lisa. I'm Mama.
Mama.
I'm Mama. I'm Mama. Can you see Mama in the camera? Say hi.
It's rubbish.
You got the shot? What do we need to make pancakes?
It's plastic.
Need some good stuff? Pancake mix? Cool. Honey? We can put honey on our pancakes. Do you want to have... Hey, on our bottom. On our bottom. Do you want to have banana pancakes?
Banana.
Banana pancakes? dusting. Ooh, these are cold. In the bowl. Good work. Can we do it again? On the table. Put it on the table. Okay, we're gonna start with this. Hold the cup. Over top. Oh, we gotta put it in first. Good work. And again. Good work. And the milk now. Hold it over. What else has to go in there? Yeah, that one. Can you get the lid off? How much do you want in there? Oh. Good job. Should we put more? There we go. Should we go potty? Okay, let's go potty. Yep, let's go potty. So a big part of how we get anything done in this house is by multitasking. So while the pancakes are cooking, I am putting the laundry in. Well, Elisa and I are putting the laundry in. What do you see?
What's that?
What's what?
A big part of how we get anything done in our house is by multitasking. So while the pancakes are cooking, Elisa and I are putting laundry in. I'm obviously not saying leave your stove unattended, but ours is right beside our bathroom, and Elisa's staying with me, so there's no concern there.
That's it. That's it.
Is there more in there? Let's see. Here. You want to do these ones? Suck. Can this go back to your room? Ah, too far, too far. In your bedroom. That's Lisa's water. Oh, we're not gonna wear glasses today, it's raining.
At about 8:30, Elise and I head out to take her to daycare. That gives me enough time to come home, make my coffee, get some water, maybe a snack, and get set up for work for the day.
We're gonna see if you guys will stay there. But essentially this is kind of how my day goes. So my computer had to restart. I have to go to the bathroom, so I'm going to put the washing that we put on this morning into the dryer at the same time. I guess this is a great time to just kind of chit chat with you guys. I feel like this is like a lot of how we get things done is by just kind of like multitasking, and this isn't every day. I want to explain that as well. Not every day is like what you're seeing. Every day of the week is kind of different, but this is how most ends of the week go, I guess, like the last day of the week. So this week it's a Thursday. I don't even know what day today is, but yeah, there's other days in the week that Dally has to go to the office, and then things are different. There's days in the week that I have to go to the office, so those days are completely different as well. But the last day of the week, we really try to maximize all of our time so that the weekend we can actually get a bit of a break and enjoy it as a family. Maybe this is boring, I don't know. I find these things interesting, and like I said, we had a lot of questions on how we juggle it all. So I thought I'd let you guys in on a bit of how we do it. And again, as I mentioned earlier, I'm totally aware that this would not be doable if we didn't work from home, if we didn't have our own like in-apartment washer and dryer, all these little things that really come into play when you're talking about, like, I don't want to even say productivity, because it's not productivity per se. Like, you can still be productive without these things. I guess it really just comes down to like privilege, like being able to do so much is a privilege because you have other privileges. I don't know if that makes sense. Anyways, gotta go back to work. Have a good day at daycare? Did you have fun at daycare? Did you?
Wait.
Go sit down.
After daycare, Elisa does come home and have a snack. We don't eat dinner until about 7 o'clock, so this just kind of holds her over until then. It's also a perfect opportunity for her to get in a call with Dally's side of the family. It just works out that way with time zones and whatnot.
You're supposed to wait for Mama.
Mama.
Yeah. Did you turn it on now? Okay, turn it on.
This is a change that took me a while to get used to. I very much used to be like, okay, I'm going to take, an hour and a half, 2 hours on the weekend and just clean the whole house. And it's actually a lot more efficient if I can get some things done Friday night before heading right into the weekend. For example, cleaning the bedrooms.
Oh, thank you. So helpful. Oh, you're doing a great job. But listen, if we put our hands on the mirror, the fingerprints show up again. Wonderful. Okay, can you do that side? That side now. Which book? You can pick 2 books. I see tomatoes. What color are they? Red tomatoes. I see pea pods. What color are they? Green pea pods. I see squash. What color are they? Yellow squash.
Good night. Somehow we have found ourselves back together on the couch. Similar to how we started today. However, the day is not yet over. I didn't film dinner because it was just a little chaotic. I find that Fridays, Elise is in a bit of a transition at daycare right now, but by the time we get to Friday, it's hit or miss. Sometimes she's wired and is awake until 8 p.m. and other times she's having meltdowns at 5. And today was leaning more towards that second option, so dinner, she kind of needed my full focus. Yeah. Then bath time, bed, whatnot. If you've been catching up, the laundry is now dried and needs to be folded and put away. Her bedroom's cleaned. My bedroom's almost clean. Normally by this time, normally by the time she's in bed on Fridays, we like to have both the bedrooms and the living area cleaned. So I'm going to get up and finish that up and put the laundry away. Those are the 2 big things. But then Saturday mornings, we clean the kitchen. Normally Elise is pretty good at playing in her room while I work on that. And the bathroom is such a struggle. It needs to be cleaned multiple times a week. Normally I would do it tonight or I would do it tomorrow night. We'll just have to see how I'm feeling. And yeah. And you're probably thinking when do I have time to edit these videos? Because that's kind of what I'm thinking right now. And on the days, so we do this type of cleaning once a week. And then we do laundry once a week. So the other days of the week, I put Elisa down for bed. It's about 7:30 now. And then from now would be editing and filming and planning, responding to comments, all that jazz. So yeah, we'll just go ahead with the video and montage, hopefully wrap up the day and all the chores.